Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Sloppy Joe Tater Tot Casserole. I've taken my famous Sloppy Joes and turned it into a tater tot casserole. This is so delicious. My family absolutely devoured it. First, you want to dice one white onion, mince up some celery nice and small, and do the same thing with a green bell pepper. We're going to cook 2 pounds of lean ground beef with the onion, bell pepper, and celery. Break up the beef, and we're going to cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes. You want the ground beef to be browned and the vegetables to be tender. At this point, you want to drain any excess grease or liquids, and it looks like we don't have much, but we still want to get it out. Return it to the heat and add about 4 teaspoons of minced garlic and toast for about 60 seconds. Turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, or however you prefer to butcher the pronunciation. Add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, which is just pureed tomatoes, a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and half a teaspoon each of black pepper and crushed red pepper flakes. Then we're going to stir this all together until it's well combined. If you're using an oven-safe skillet, you can go ahead and keep this in the skillet or transfer it to a lightly greased 9x13 pan. Smooth out the top, then layer on 32 ounces of frozen tater tots. You can be fancy and try and make designs, or just scatter them on top in an even layer. And then of course it wouldn't be a casserole without the cheese, so sprinkle on 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. All that's left to do is bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.